Morning, what's up? I hope y'all are doing well today. I'm currently off, get join a couple buddies for some duck hunting, see what we can get into. I'm not actually hunting myself, but it'll be fun to follow these guys along, see if we can't find some mallards, put some birds down on the ground. All right, we just downed a bird. Fortunately, I missed it. Weren't expecting to flush them so soon, but should be somewhere right over in here. Let's see if we can't find this thing. All right, down bird update. Did not find any feathers. No sign really at all, unfortunately, so we gave up the hunt. So last I mentioned, tried to find a duck that Parker thought he hit. Unfortunately, saw no feathers, saw no sign. We're guessing he just saw it wrong and didn't actually hit it. So, hiked the rest of the creek, didn't see anything else. Now we are on our way to go find some grouse and maybe do some fishing for some cutties. So we'll see you there. All right, no grouse so far. Heading down towards the lake. See if we can't find any cutties. That's the goal. I'll have to follow you. I'll have to duck down a little bit. Well, the hunting hasn't panned out quite yet, but on the board with the cutty. Oh. Perfect. See ya. Oh, rainbow. No, grayling. No way. Bro, no freaking way! On the board again. Let's go! Dude! Dude, no way! That's sick! Bro, first ever grayling in the net. Holy. Dude, I heard that they were in here. Is that your first grayling? First grayling, baby. Let's go. All right. There you go. How about that? Another one on the board. Not too bad. Oh, there he goes. Oh yeah. What? Green and gold. Mostly olive green. There we go. probably the best one yet. Oh yeah, there we go. Tank.
Oh yeah, colored up.
Yeah, man. Real pretty on this one. God, it's cold.
There you go.
How about that?
Nice.
Okay. All right, story time. So we just finished up our little adventure for the day. Ended up getting into some cutties and a grayling, like y'all saw. Quite the change of plans from what we originally were going for. Obviously, hoping to get some ducks this morning. Then we changed to grouse. Couldn't find any grouse, but luckily these cutties and grayling really capped off the day for us and came in clutch. Super fun to get those on board. New species for me with that grayling, and some good sized cutties as well. So all things being equal, can't complain about another good adventure. Just a reminder that you got to let the winds take you where they may. But if you like this content, make sure to drop a like. Let me know in the comments below, and please subscribe. Helps a lot. Really makes a difference for the channel. And let me know what you want to see in our next video. We've got some good ones coming up for you. Peace. So I'm coming to y'all after the fact with the exciting story update. One of our buddies ended up coming in fishing where we were hunting about an hour or so later. And he ended up running into a hunter with his dog who said he had found a downed mallard and ended up retrieving that bird. So that was awesome. Nice to have that conclusion and not be left wondering whether or not you'd injured a bird and never retrieved it. So that was perfect, and always a great way to end your hunt, despite the fact that we didn't end up with the bird in hand. At least someone did. So anyways, we'll see y'all in the next adventure.